Hi, I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. Thank you so much for stopping by today. While you're here, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe and hit that bell, and then you'll get a notification every time I post a new wig related video. So today I'm going to be bringing you another review for PinkyPromise.com. I just want to remind you that if you will sign up for Pinky Promise's email blast, go to their website, sign up, put your email in, and sign up to receive their emails, you will get a 30% off code. So, very exciting. So, this gorgeous beauty that I am wearing today is Hudson by Estetica, and the color on this one is SilversunRT8. I have seen so many people obsessed with this color, and I get it. I get it now. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous color, and I can't wait to share more about her in just a moment. Okay, let's jump in and get started talking about this beautiful Hudson in SilversunRT8. Okay, so I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around. This one came almost perfectly center parted, so that's a great way to see the way that these layers, frame the face, which is really, really pretty. Looks really, really good. Okay, so I will turn. Here's the front. Here is my right. My left side, and back to the front. Okay, so cap construction wise, she is a lace front and a full mono top. So she came, like I said, center parted, which looks really nice. But you can part her, more to the right side, or you can part her on the left side, whatever your heart desires, because she has that full mono top. And I'll show you her cap construction in just a moment. But let me show you her lace front. Looks really, really nice. There's a little bit of the light hairs, but not too many. But the knots are tiny, so even with the dark rooting, the lace front still looks really, really nice. Ear tabs, I have good coverage, so I have a little bio hair here, a little bit down here. So if you have more bio hair, just for reference, but I have good coverage with the ear tabs. Show you this side as well. A little more hair over here that you can see. Looks really, really good. Really, really cute. Okay, so measurement wise, her measurements are, she has a 10-inch bang here in the front. And I think that if you wanted to cut a bang, you could cut a bang in her. She has an 18-inch measurement from the crown. She has 11-inch sides, and her nape back here is 8.5 inches. Her weight comes in at 4.94, but don't let that alarm you. She does not feel heavy at all. These fibers, in fact, are very light and very wispy. They're very, very pretty fibers. So really, really nice. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Okay, interior cap construction for Hudson. So here is that lace front. Lace front extends down onto the ear tab, which is really, really nice. Gives you lots of options for pulling her off the face for styling. So very nice long lace front, goes well down, to the temple and maybe past on some people. Here is that mono top. So you have that part that'll go all the way back to the crown, which looks really, really nice. You've got open wefting all through the cap. She's got soft ear tabs with a nice big piece of metal in there. She has an open wefted extended nape. That open wefting really keeps your head cool. And she has the hook adjusters. This particular one has a brown interior on the cap since it has the 8 rooting. I'll pop her back. Let me show you that mono part. It's probably easier to show it. See how it goes all the way back to the crown? That's really, really nice. That's something that's nice about a mono top. Okay, and I will show you the mono part on my head. So you can see it goes all the way back here to the crown, which is really, really nice. I love that. Looks very, very realistic. All right, let's jump in and talk about this gorgeous color. SilversunRT8. From what I've heard, this color is hard for them to even keep in stock. It is so popular. So, and it is really, really pretty. I did not think this is a color that I could wear, but with the rooting, it works. You know, it's really, really pretty. So, all right, so Silver Sun rooted with a root of 8 is described as iced blonde, dusted with soft sandy blonde and golden brown roots. So your root is an 8. It might look dark because there's such a contrast between the root and when you go into these icy and sandy blonde colors. But the root actually to the eye is not that dark. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna kill one light here and see. Show it to you without the bright light. I feel like I'm getting some glare. So pretty. Okay, let's take this color outside and we will look at it in the natural light. Okay, so here she is under the covered patio. There's your lace front, monopart. Okay, beautiful color. So very, very pretty out there in the natural light. Okay, so I want to show you her with glasses and all that kind of stuff. So here she is. She's very easy to tuck behind the ears, no problem at all. And she looks cute like that. And that's nice if, you know, if you need to look down at your desk or a book or whatever, you know, you can get her out of your face just temporarily if you want to. So glasses are no problem with her. Really easy. So you can put them up on your head, no problem. Very, very easy. And even, you know, without her tucked behind the ear, I just like to show you so you can see the glasses, but she's super easy, you know. Okay, so I will show you what she looks like with a headband. I think the black leopard headband, she's gonna look super cool with this color. Very pretty. I pulled her back a little bit. There we go. Now, as far as fit of the cap, I should touch on that. This is an average size cap, and as many of you know, I am more petite, so there's definitely stretch in the cap, but it's not too big. I just had to bring the adjusters in a little bit, and she's wearable for me. So for petite head people, don't think that you can't wear, you know, these Estetica styles. You certainly can. So as far as other ways to style her, you could, of course, just stick the headband in. I always like to show that too. I love these little headbands that look like they're a little knotted scarf. They look cute, but that looks really pretty. I love that leopard with this color. Looks so cute. Okay, so she is very pretty. If you do just pull these layers back and just do her like half up and half down, you know, just secure her with a little claw clip. She looks very pretty like that. She's also able to go in a ponytail. She has the extended nape. Now I think with her I would do more of a low pony so you can, you know, make sure you keep those front layers in. If they want to pop out, you could always bobby pin them right behind the ears, but she definitely has enough length for a ponytail and a twist, you know, updo as well. Just always make sure you're pushing down your extended nape when you do that, but you know, just check with a mirror and make sure everything looks good in the back. But she even has some little tiny hairs down here that really make her look realistic, you know, and you still have that rooting all the way around the cap that looks really, really good. So very, very cute. And then of course, you know, you can braid her, there's just all kinds of cool things you can do with her. She is just regular synthetic, not heat friendly, by the way. So very, very pretty. I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. Don't forget to go to the website and get that 30% off code by signing up to get her email blast. So thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.